Alright, so this whole thing, 200 beats a minute. So this is what you got up to 200. So what I want you to do, make sure you can do these 4 bars at 200, and then go to the next 4 at 200. The last 4 here, minus the whole note at the end, but these 4 bars is the exact same thing as these 4. And so I'll kind of demonstrate the idea behind it. So let's see, this is, some of it might be a little cut off here, but at least you can see the tab. Yeah. So here's the whole thing at 200. And I'm gonna show you what I kind of want to go towards, kind of what my idea is. So here we go. And then once you get through that whole thing, instead of going 1E and a 2E and a 3, 4, you're going to go 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4. So then it's going to be like this. Not like that, hang on. And eventually pick the whole fucking time. And it's not that easy. But yeah. Anyway, so here would be the whole thing. So the same note structure, but you're just picking straight through. I might probably do some things to kind of help segue into that. But eventually, I mean, these are the first 2 ideas I'm thinking of. So what you're doing now, what I just demonstrated, and now this will be like the ultimate thing. So what I might end up doing is like maybe doing like a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3, 4, 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3, 4, and so on. So just I'll think of like ways to break it up. So it's, but the idea is basically, now that you can do something at 200 beats a minute, I want to like gradually push the amount of pick strokes that you do. So this way you can do it far more consistent, and then it'll make that 170 beat per minute little etude you're working on a piece of cake. So that's my idea. But right now, again, I was just demonstrating kind of what you're going towards. But just work on this piece by piece. So you already got those 4 bars up to 200. So make sure you can do these 4 at 200. And these 4 at 200, and this is already, once you get here, remember these 4 bars are the same as those 4 bars. So anyway, just piece it together as many pieces as needed, and let me know if you have any questions. I will plan on seeing you next week.